Friends, GIFT City stands as a testament to India's ambitions to emerge as a leading global financial hub. With its world-class infrastructure, state-of-art facility, and an ecosystem that nurtures both professional and social life, GIFT City is an example of sustainable urban development combined with economic prosperity. GIFT, as you know, is the brainchild of our Honorable Prime Minister, and it is leading India's vision to become a global financial hub for the country. As India's landmark project, GIFT is equipped with the world-class facility like automated waste collection system, a district cooling system, and underground utility tunnel, to name a few. The master plan is conceptualized with a walk-to-work concept. The city's layout is equipped with the well-planned road network and modern transit system like metro, connecting GIFT City with Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad both. The airport and the railway station are just 30 minutes drive from GIFT City, making life here connected, convenient, and efficient. Apart from the 2 hotels which we are already housing in GIFT City, a new 5-star hotel is soon coming up and will further enhance the city's hospitality landscape. GIFT City is also becoming an educational hub, as mentioned by Mr. Rajaraman, with 2 Australian universities already operational and 2 UK-based universities are in the pipeline. There is already an established school in GIFT City in which 2,000 children are studying, which is housed in GIFT City. At present, we have about 22 operational tall buildings with additional 31 new commercial buildings under construction, which should be available within the next few years, in a couple of years only. In addition to providing quality infrastructure, we have been engaging in multiple initiatives to elevate social life of GIFT's residents. The city regularly hosts events such as concerts, marathons, Garba nights, and other cultural festivals that foster a sense of belonging and vibrancy among its residents. On the business front, GIFT is home to more than 31 Indian and international banks. As already mentioned, we have about 34 leading insurance and reinsurance companies which are also doing very well in GIFT City. They have all their foreign exchange business being run from GIFT City. And we have got about 55 plus technology or fintech giants who are also housed in GIFT City. I mean, people like Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, etc., they are all here. GIFT has also now developed a base of aircraft leasing and ship leasing companies with about 45 entities currently operating and many more which are yet to come. We have already established GIFT City as a prominent financial center with 140 operational fund managers and cumulative bond listings exceeding $60 billion US. A landmark achievement was when there was a transition of SGX Nifty to GIFT Nifty, further solidifying our position on the international stage. The establishment of innovative financial products like India International Bullion Exchange. We also have a bullion exchange for your information, which has been significant. The yearly volume in bullion exchange in the current year, 24-25, has already surpassed 80 tons of gold trading done in GIFT bullion exchange. As you know, we are importing about 800 tons of gold every year into India, of which about 10% has already been traded in bullion exchange here. And we hope that we would be covering about 50% of the import through the bullion exchange here. Well, friends, it may not be wrong to say that GIFT is an opportunity now to set up business in GIFT City. For the bankers present here, I would like to suggest that the need to develop capabilities to provide funding based on asset valuation instead of doing only balance sheet financing, which they have been doing so far. In fact, for them, for the bankers, IFSCI is a perfect platform to innovate structures and products based on global experiences. So all the global banks are doing this kind of financing, particularly for aircraft leasing or ship leasing, based on the asset valuation rather than balance sheet funding. It's time that bankers also in GIFT City, in IFSC area, think about it. India is expanding in a big way in civil aviation, and our aircraft order book is the testimony of that. We should all leverage this opportunity and grow this activity from GIFT City. As we move forward, the collaborative efforts of government bodies, private enterprises, and dedicated professionals will continue to transform GIFT City into not just a financial hub, but a thriving community. Together, we will all sustain this growth trajectory, creating immense opportunities and furthering India's presence in global financial area. Thank you very much for coming to GIFT City. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.